In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add signature in Outlook. Whether you're using classic Outlook on your desktop or the new Outlook and web version, I'll walk you through creating a polished email signature and making sure it shows up exactly where you want it. Let's start with classic Outlook. First, open a new email by clicking New Email. On the Message tab at the top, click Signature, then choose Signatures. In the Signatures and Stationery window that appears, select New, give your signature a clear name like My Professional, and click OK. Now build your signature in the Edit Signature box. Type in your details such as your name, title, company, and the contact info you want to share and use the formatting tools to adjust fonts, colors, and spacing so it's readable and on brand. You can add a website or social link by inserting a hyperlink and include a small logo or image if that's appropriate for your organization. Keep graphics modest in size so your emails load quickly and look clean on mobile. Next, decide when Outlook should use this signature. Under Choose Default Signatures, set your new signature for new messages and, if you want, for replies and forwards. Many people use a full signature for new emails and a shorter version for replies, so pick what fits your workflow. When everything looks right, click OK to save your changes. Now for the new Outlook and the web version. Click the Settings gear icon in the top right. Choose View All Outlook settings. Some layouts may show accounts, then signatures, and then go to Mail, followed by Compose and Reply. In the signature editor, type your information and format it just how you like it. The toolbar lets you adjust font size and style, add links, and insert images for a logo or banner, keeping the design professional and accessible. Below the editor, use the checkboxes to specify whether your signature should appear on new messages and on replies or forwards. When you're finished, click Save to lock in your preferences. Across both versions, aim for a simple, consistent design. Use a standard, easy-to-read font and minimal colors, and include only the essential details to keep messages professional and lightweight. If you manage more than one signature, give each one a clear name so you can select the right one quickly. And if a signature doesn't appear where you expect, revisit the default settings to confirm they're applied to the type of message you're composing. That's all you need to add a signature in Outlook. Thanks for watching.